If you have facial asymmetry, such as in your jaw, the corners of your lips, or your eyebrows, practice this simple routine, and soon you will see your face becoming more symmetrical. For this practice, you will need a mirror, and if your skin is prone to breakouts, it's best to wash your face first. You will also need a pencil or a brush. Start by slightly opening your mouth and feeling around your face. The chewing muscles are the firm areas closer to your ears. If you feel your teeth and gums under your fingers, you've moved off the muscle. It's large, attaching from the cheekbone down to the lower jaw. Now use your knuckle, not your fingertip, to massage this firm muscle. Apply noticeable but comfortable pressure, enough to feel the release but not too strong. Keep your mouth slightly open and relaxed. Jaw muscles often have uneven tension, pulling the face to one side. This can shift the lower jaw right or left, creating asymmetry. By balancing these muscles, we can reduce tension and restore harmony. Open and close your mouth slowly and evenly. Choose a count, 3 or 5 seconds, and move at a steady pace. No jerky motions. It might feel tricky at first. Practice makes it easier. Don't open your mouth fully, 80% is enough. Avoid any clicking or discomfort in the joint. If you have jaw issues, be extra careful. If your jaw sometimes dislocates, only do this with a doctor's approval. Move slowly, gently, and with focus. If your jaw wobbles, lightly rest your hands on your chin to stabilize it. Just a soft guide, no force. If it doesn't move perfectly straight, that's okay. It will improve over time. As you open your mouth, place your hands on your temples and gently lift them toward the top of your head. Try to feel the temporal muscle moving under your fingers. If you don't notice it, adjust your hands slightly until you do. The temporal muscle is part of the chewing system, just like the jaw muscles. It can also be imbalanced, affecting not only the jawline but even the eyes. One eye may appear more open than the other due to tightness in this area. Place your fists under your chin. As you open your mouth, gently press your hands upward to create light resistance. No need to push hard, just a soft challenge. When you close your mouth, release the pressure. Place your fingers under the corners of your mouth, on your lower jaw, and gently massage the area. This is where the depressor muscles attach. When tight, they can pull the corners of the muscles downward. If one side droops more, spend a little extra time on that side. Pinch the skin just below the corners of your mouth and gently rub it between your fingers with tiny, delicate movements. Facial muscles are small and thin, no need for strong pressure here. Take the corner of your mouth and press outward, kneading the tissue. Work on one side, then the other. Firm but gentle pressure is key. This area, called modiolus, connects many facial muscles, and releasing tension here helps with symmetry. Most facial muscles are paired, meaning if one side is tighter, it can pull the face up or down, creating asymmetry. If one side is lower, give it a little extra care. Place your knuckles or fingertips under the upper jawbone near the nose. There are no exact points. Explore and find tight or tender areas. If you feel discomfort or pain, stay there a little longer. Press your fingers into those spots and either lean into them or make gentle circular motions until the pain fades. If it doesn't ease, don't stay longer than 1 minute. Work your way along the jawbone. Now we will need a pencil. Hold the pencil horizontally in front of your lips and look in the mirror. Try lifting one corner of your mouth smoothly up and down, no jerky movements. Then switch sides. As you can see, even I have some asymmetry. One corner lifts higher. That means I need to practice this more. These exercises cannot fully correct genetic asymmetry. If you were born with it, it will likely remain, but they can prevent it from worsening over time. Face fitness is most effective for age-related asymmetry caused by habitual facial expressions. We are working with muscles, not bone structure, so results are about balance and tone, not dramatic changes. That said, these exercises help keep your skin elastic, reduce wrinkles, and prevent facial muscles from weakening. The key is consistency. It's about maintaining health and tone, not reshaping your face entirely. Now, try lifting both corners at the same time, making sure one doesn't rise faster. At first, it might feel tricky, especially if you are not looking in a mirror as I do here, but focus on making both corners move together. To finish, let's do one more set on the weaker side, the one that's harder to lift. Place your fingertips under the jawbone and gently vibrate them side to side to release tension. Pinch your eyebrows lightly between your fingers. This helps with eyebrow asymmetry. Hold one eyebrow in place with your hand. Use your other finger to press gently above the opposite brow. Try to lift the brow against the resistance. Here's the tricky part. Asymmetry isn't always about lifting the lower brow. Often, we habitually raise one brow too much, keeping it tense. The goal is to train it to relax. Now place two fingers above both brows. Press them slightly downward and try to raise your eyebrows against the resistance. This balances the muscles controlling your forehead. Open your mouth into a round O shape and place your hands near your ears, pulling the skin slightly upward. Look slightly up, but don't roll your eyes back, and start blinking very fast. This helps with eye asymmetry and muscle tone. Keep your jaw relaxed. Open your eyes wide, then relax. Try to avoid raising your eyebrows. If they lift, gently hold them down with your hands. Lightly tap your forehead with your fingertips. Tap around the eyes, across the forehead and down to the jawline. This relieves tension. Take deep breaths and exhale through any tight spots on your face. Finish with a gentle tapping all over to relax the muscles. Thank you for practicing with me. Regular exercises will help correct facial asymmetry, release tension, and bring your muscles in balance. The key is to be consistent and mindful, and you will see results over time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps my channel grow. Leave a comment sharing how you felt after the practice. Also, let me know what other facial concerns you have, and I'll try to address them in future videos. To make sure you don't miss new content, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you next time!